welcome back to my channel. So as the title says, today I'm opening up my Beautylish Lucky Bag haul. Now every year I make an order for one of the Lucky Bags because I love receiving products that I usually wouldn't get, and these are full-size products and usually I get really excited about trying them out. They retail about $75 and you're supposed to get about $100 worth of products, and usually there are full size and there are lots of really good brands from Beautylish themselves, so very excited about opening these. Let's get to the video. Here is the box itself. It says Beautylish on the cover and I've already torn into this so it's easier to open up, and here it is. I do love the wrapping that usually comes in these boxes. They are absolutely beautiful, and this year they have this kind of crane motif which I love. I don't know what you guys do with your wrapping. Do you save them? Do you use them to wrap other presents, or do you frame them up? Let me know in the comments down below. And here is the package. So it's fully bubble wrapped. That looks like there are a lot of products in here, so let's open it up. Ooh, okay. So the first thing I can see is this Stila Iridescent Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow Set. Now, I actually got some of these when they first came out. Let me go grab those. These are the Stila Glitter and Glow. I got two of these when they first came out, and I think this was Bronze Bell and Rose Gold Retro. I really like these colors when they came out, but I obviously don't actually use them all that often. My day-to-day makeup is very kind of matte, maybe a little bit satin, but usually quite natural, so I don't really use a lot of satin products, glitter products. This set comes with 3 of them. Let's open it up. I think these are actually a lot smaller than the other ones. Yeah, so they're quite a lot smaller, which kind of makes sense if you're brand new to glitter products and you're not quite sure about using them. So yeah, there's 3 of these in here. The colors are Dollish, Stylish and Embellish. They look to be very pink toned. Quite pretty. Ooh, I am just losing everything off it. They're very, very pink toned. Quite a lot smaller, so good for trying out if you're not sure about glitter products. This looks to be a pink with a gold shift, and there is a bit of a silvery one, and there is a kind of silver pink, I want to say. This one looks to be very, very cute. So for those of you who just want to try a little bit of glitter products, I do remember they were really nice to put on the eyes, so we shall see about that one. I just remember where I used some glitter products recently. These are the Colorpop, what are they called? The Colorpop Supernova Shadows, super glittery. These are almost like a wet glitter look, and they go on really nicely. I'll pop an image from Instagram, maybe link down below so you can have a look at how they perform, but I really enjoyed these ones. And I think the Stila ones are almost a very, very similar formula, I want to say. Let me know if you actually want me to do a side-by-side comparison of these in a new video. Pop me down a comment down below. I feel like I'm all over the place with this video, but I just wanted to say that the Stila eye glitters were $25 US. Next up, I have something from Hourglass. This is the Vanish Flash Highlighting Stick in Gold Flash. What is in here? I really like Hourglass products. One of their foundations, actually the stick foundation, which I think comes very similar to this, is one of my favorite foundations ever. This looks to be quite similar, so same sort of packaging. I think it's also called the Vanish Foundation, I want to say. Yeah, so this is very, very similar to what the foundation looks like. This is obviously a highlighter. Let me just oh, pretty. That is super, super pretty. It's a very kind of light silver goldish color. Ooh, that feels so nice. And there is a lot of product in here. Quite happy with that. Yeah. Let's see. How much is this one? That one, Hourglass highlighter, goes for $42. This is a pricey one. Very happy to have this in my bag. Next up is something from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Latex Love Long Lasting Lip Gloss. Ooh, I've not tried this before. Okay. Also a big fan of Charlotte Tilbury products. Ooh, pretty. Looks to be a pinky nude. And this is in the shade Belle du Soir. I'm not sure what the formula is like. Ooh. It's very scented. I mean, it smells nice. It kind of smells a bit like a really nice perfume. Ooh, okay. This is a super, super sticky kind of gloss. That is what it looks like. It's super pigmented, very glossy, almost like a peachy pink in that shade. Not sure about glosses. I am generally more of a matte lipstick sort of girl, or a kind of light hydrating tint, anything that's kind of a bit easy. So interested in trying this out, but I'm not sure I'll be 100% a fan. And the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick goes for, ooh, this is about $34 US. I think next up I see something very, very massive and heavy. Ooh. Oh wow. Ooh. What is this? This looks really cool. It's called Under My Skin Miss Fame. Wow. Okay, this is an eyeshadow palette. Look at that packaging. Wow. I have not heard of this before or seen it. It's very, very heavy. Let's open it up. Oh, oh wow. Ooh. Okay, this looks incredible. Look at that. Those are some beautiful colors. And this is like a nicely, there is also a massive mirror in there. This is quite a heavy, like, this actually kind of reminds me of Pat McGrath's kind of feel. Wow, yeah, I have actually, this is by Miss Fame Beauty. Never heard of this before. This looks really cool. They are all kind of glittery shadows, so there's no mattes as far as I can see. I love the names. I mean, that one is called Noirgasm, and there is Auragasm. Okay. Wow, Astral Play. Play. Skintimacy, Wanderlust, Bluephoria. Okay. I would be keen on swatching these and seeing how they perform. That is definitely coming into a new video. Let's see how much that retails for actually. Do I say the word actually a lot? I think I do. Okay, so that one comes in at $49 US. Not bad. I've just picked up a Wayne Goss brush. I love receiving these. I think I've almost gotten a Wayne Goss brush in every single of my Lucky Bags. So this is... It doesn't actually have a number on it. It looks like that. It looks a bit too big to be an eye brush, so I feel like this is a face one. It's so soft. Oh, this is so lovely. I think it's almost maybe an under eye brush, highlighting brush. I'm not sure. The shape isn't very highlighty. I feel like this is something to do with the face, but I'm not sure for what, so I'll have to find out. Wayne Goss brushes, I think this would be about 32 to 35 based on the size of it. Really, really nice, really soft. Happy with this as well. Next up is a skincare product. So this is a Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. Looks like this. I think I've got a Good Molecules some sort of oil serum last time. Quite enjoyed using it. I know that this is a very affordable skincare range by Beautylish, and I've been interested in trying out niacinamide for a while. A friend of mine turned me into it and said it's really good for congested skin. And yeah, this is a brightening toner, so it's formulated with niacinamide, vitamin C, arbutin, and licorice root extract to brighten, improve appearance of enlarged pores. I mean, that sounds really good to me. Ooh, very nice. Oh yeah, this is what a bottle looks like. It's a nice sort of glass bottle as well, really heavy. Keen to add that to my skincare routine. And the good molecules, let's see. This is likely to retail for about $14 US. Yeah, totally affordable, and I just love the packaging. And this is the final product in there, and this is another Jefree Star item. Ooh, the light did not like that. I've received a Jefree Star product in all of my previous Lucky Bags. I think I've gotten eye palettes before, so I've got the androgyny one. I want to say, what was the last one I received? Don't quite remember. I will check it out. This is the Jefree Star 5-year anniversary edition lip vault, and there are some really funky colors in there. I mean, look at that. Look at that green and that sheer paper white situation happening. Not seen this come out before, so interesting. This is obviously his Velour liquid lipstick. There is Drug Lord, which I assume is the white one, Doll Parts, Androgyny, Mistletoe, and Ho Ho Ho. Huh. I think, concretely speaking, there's about 2 of these that I would legitimately wear. Is that one, which I think is Androgyny, and the last one, which I think is Ho Ho Ho, which is just a nice matte. I'm actually wearing a Jefree Star lipstick today. This is Gemini, with a little bit of a lip liner on, so I mean, it performs like every other kind of matte liquid lip. It dries down really quickly and dries down darker than it initially goes onto your lips. So it's not bad, but not my favorite formula. So I think with these ones, they're almost comparable to, I'll be interested to actually see how it's comparable against other liquid lipsticks. At the moment, I'm really liking the Colourpop one as well as a L'Oreal one. Let me grab those for you. So these are currently the liquid lips I've been trying out. This is the L'Oreal, what is it called? I don't actually know what these are called. They're fairly new, so you'll be able to see them in drugstores. This one is in the shade I Stand. Really enjoy it. That one is almost like a really dark purpley nude. And this is just one of my Colourpop ultra matte lip. This is in the shade Take a Pixie. Again, these ones dry down a lot darker than it is in the tube, so you have to be a bit careful when you're doing lip swatches. But yeah, so if you're interested in seeing me try out the Jefree Star liquid lips compared with other type of matte liquid lips that I've been using, yeah, pop a note down below and I'll see about doing a video. Just to round it off, the Jefree Star Lip Vault was about $75 US, so that is actually the priciest item in the entire Lucky Bag. Overall, is it worth it? I think it's a bit of a hit and miss. There was definitely some products which I'm super happy about, like the Hourglass highlighter. What else is in there? Definitely keen on trying out the eye palette, even though I have 100 eye palettes that I still haven't hit pan on. And the brush itself is really nice, and I'm keen on using that new skin toner. The lipsticks, I'm a little bit like, not sure about those. There's definitely some colours which I would never ever wear, like the green and the white. I'm a little bit unsure about the latex lip from Charlotte Tilbury, so I think if it doesn't kind of get on with me, I'll end up regifting some of these as well. So a bit of a hit or miss in this bag, but I always enjoy getting one of the Lucky Bags because, I don't know, it's almost like a present to yourself. So you get to open something and there's lots of different products for you to have a squeeze at, and the packaging is just beautiful. I love it. I love getting these kind of like little wrapped boxes. I know, strange. That's it from me today. So again, drop me a comment down below if there's anything else that you want me to test out or try against a different product. And if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, hit obviously the subscribe button down below if you're new to my channel, and I will see you next time.